Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn how to add a beneficiary name in ICICI Bank using Marg Software. For this, you will go to Digital to Connected Banking to Payment and create the voucher. On the debit side, enter the party's name and the amount. Then on the credit side, select ICICI Bank. In this way, online fund transfer window will open. Here, you will click on Add Beneficiary. Then click on Modify. And then here, you will fill in the mandatory fields marked with an asterisk and save it. After that, click on Initiate Process and an OTP will be sent to the number registered with the bank. Enter the OTP here and click OK. Then Beneficiary ID will autofill here and then you will click OK. Then beneficiary name will be added. So then you will be able to make the payment. So in this way, you can add beneficiary name in ICICI Bank using Marg Software. Thanks for watching.